see. It's just a little basic blue towel. You know what? I thought it was the perfect color. I was like, oh, okay. And the funny thing is, when I grabbed it, I didn't have, not a piece of fabric in sight. But when I looked at it, I was like, okay, this will work. This will work. We can make it work. Bam. So I just need to cut a piece to go across, probably from like here to here, or here to here. Yeah, these 2 blocks right here. But it's okay. Today, one day, until this day. Let me put it up here. Basically, I need it to be as wide as this. I'm gonna have to put this over a little bit because of the little part, the extra piece right there. And I'm gonna leave a little extra right here. Just need to see the height that I need. And I could have just measured it, but of course I would have to be difficult and just go ahead and cut it. But it's okay. Today. Oh yeah, this is perfect. So to do this, of course, like, we need to fold in the edges. So when I fold it in this way, that way I know when I stitch it, all those little pieces of string not gonna be popping out. So I'm gonna grab some pins and pin that in place. So I don't want it to go nowhere. Do anything for you. Okay. I don't know, that song is just stuck in my head today. But it's okay. She said, you gonna learn today. Okay, so I'm gonna fold this side here and basically do the same thing. Can y'all see me? Okay, so I'm folding this way. Now I'm trying to make it as straight as possible. And I'm gonna grab a couple more pins to finish pinning it in place. That's 2. One day, hold this thing. You know what? I might make me some, go get me some and make me some Bama ones. It's been a while. I had, I think I had some Bama towels, but they was white with a red A. And I was like, okay, I can't decorate with that. But after I got tired of looking at them, I ended up throwing them away. So I'm going to do the same thing for the ends. I might have to cut it a little close so I can go ahead and fold it at the end. But it's okay. Oh yeah, these towels gonna hit. These towels gonna hit. I think I'm gonna grab a clip for the sides. I'm gonna fold it on this side the same way. Grab a couple of clips. And then, yeah. So all I gotta do is basically do a straight stitch around these. I like to use my whatchamajiggy. I love this machine. And I was in Wiley today. Lord, I hardly ever go in there. Thankfully, I don't plan on going in there no time soon again. But this machine is a Brother SQ9285. It has a lot of different stitches, and it's in Wiley right now for like, I think it's $228. So, hands down, when I buy another one, I'll buy the duplicate of this. Because that's how much I love this machine. I think I'm going to have to change my needle out. Make sure I got the right needle. But it's okay. Hold on. Yeah, switch my needle out. And I always keep me a little coin close by. So I can, that's too big. Wait a minute. Oh no, it worked. Then I just twist it a little bit, not all the way, because I don't want it the screw to fall out. And I put this up in here. One day you notice me. So the needle that I had up there previously, I want to say either it was a knit needle or either a satin needle. I can't remember which one it was, but either way, I just want something that's a little bit stronger to sew this project. Okay, so to sew this, I like to go, you know, just start on whatever side you want to start on. But start, you know, a little further away from the edge. I'm going to go ahead and just pull this pin out because, yeah. And then, of course, I'm going to start with a back stitch. Let me get the right presser foot in front of me because I don't want to be pressing the other one. Okay. Do my back stitch. I need to get me one of those little, what's the name, thingies that hold your thread. But I always check my thread to make sure it's tight. I don't want it real loose while I'm stitching. laying out. One day, I'll know this and I stitch all the way down to the other end, and then I'm gonna lift this, but I'm gonna leave my needle down, and then I can just pivot and turn my piece this way, drop it. And I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna turn it this way. Let me do one more stitch. Okay, now I can do it. I'm just looking to see where my needle is. You gonna learn today, one day. Some of my little strings off real quick. Now I can turn it. And then of course I back stitch when I get to the end. And that's it for that one. Just cut the sides. And you know what I was thinking also would be neat? Like to make a ring a little bigger as an option for people that depending on how they want to use it and